The DGIVOVO 4800 PSI electric pressure washer is designed to provide unmatched cleaning power with its robust motor, making it ideal for tackling tough dirt and grime. Featuring a 55-foot overall reach, this high-pressure washer includes a 35-foot power cord and a 20-foot hose, ensuring you can clean even the most distant spots without hassle. Its user-friendly design, complete with wheels and a sponge handle, enhances portability and allows for easy navigation during cleaning sessions. The pressure washer's versatility is further enhanced by its 4-color nozzle system and a 450 milliliter foam pot, allowing users to tailor their cleaning method to the task at hand. With a focus on user comfort, this machine is suitable for both seasoned users and newcomers, ensuring a satisfying cleaning experience for everyone. Manufactured by DGIVOVO, the pressure washer promises durability and efficiency, making it a valuable tool in any outdoor cleaning arsenal.